Hello vlog! Welcome to my tanamoms. So to our tanamoms, plantitos and plantitas as well as daddies, kuyas, inang and tatang. Today is a beautiful day because we have a new review for this kind of plant. So maybe you are familiar with this. You have this at home. And I would like to inform you that this kind of plant is found here. It originated in our place, the Philippines. Okay, and so before I am going to continue with my review, please allow me to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Do not fail to click the subscribe button for Mommy's Groups channel. And I would like to extend my thanks for those who continually keep on clicking the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Okay, and so our review is this kind of plant. So you are now familiar. I am going to turn very nice underside. Okay, so this plant belongs to family Begonia Cv, and that always remember that for family Begonia Cv, it keeps on evolving. And the recent one, there are 1,600 or more species of family Begonia Cv. So there are three distinct characters that I am going to show you, to share to you with this kind of plant. Okay, look at the surface. When it is shaded, the color of the leaf, okay, is silver metallic. But when it is under the heat, okay, or it is in a filtered light, the color is metallic pink. Okay, metallic pink or pinkish. The second character that I am going to share to you just a while ago, that is why I turned it. It is because the underside is colored what? It is burgundy or maroonish in color. See? The underside of this kind of plant. So always remember that this plant is found here in our place. It originated in our place, Philippines. So we have plenty of this one. And the third that I am going to share to you is this kind of begonia is a hanging plant. It trails. So meaning this way, it goes down. Okay, so meaning that this plant, it likes to be in a basket. Okay, this one is not a basket and it will be hanged. So the purpose of this kind of plant, it is used for ornamental purposes. Now, for begonia, always be aware that it likes well-drained soil. It doesn't like dry soil because if you are going to touch, to feel the petioles, okay, it doesn't have a stem, it has the petioles. It is watery, it is succulent-like. And another thing, if you are going to view, okay, the petioles are hairy. Okay, they have trichomes or hair-like projection. What is the purpose of that hair-like projection? It is to restrain itself from transpiring. Okay, so it needs well-drained medium. And another thing, do not never expose your begonia under the heat of the sun. It doesn't like, it is going to wilt. That is why it loves filtered sunlight. So when we say filtered sunlight, it should have a shade. It is under your plants. Okay, for bigger plants, place that under the plants, or if not, if you have nets at home. So what is the scientific name for this kind of plant? Scientifically, this one is, it belongs to family Begonia Cv, genus Begonia, Cv, Martin's mystery. So it is commonly known as Martin's mystery begonia. But in others, actually this is tagged as Begonia, genus Begonia U192, if I am not mistaken. In Malay, the Malay call this one as tapak melate. Tapak, I don't know, kindly check me. Tapak melate or tapak melate. Okay, so how is this propagated? The best way, it is easy for me to propagate this by the rhizomes or the modified stems, division of the stems. So, okay, if this is the rhizomes, we can divide that one and directly place this under the soil. But see to it that you will be using the well-drained soil. Another thing, it is also, aside from division of the rhizomes, cuttings of the leaf. But for me, or cuttings of the stem. But in my case, it is easy for me to be using divisions of the rhizomes. That is easy for me. What about the shape of the leaf? It is rounded actually. No, rounded siya. Rounded. See how round it is. I am going to move it nearer to you so that, okay. And another thing with that of the leaf, you can clearly see, observe the venations. Okay, silver or if not green venations. Okay, that is how it looks like when it is, it can be seen by the sunlight. But then when it is not, it is shaded, that is the time that it is going to show a pinkish coloration. But this one, since I have this exposed with a little bit of sunlight, then that is how it looks like. However, always remember that the venation, the distribution of the green is different from each of the leaf. And since it has a rounded shape, leaf shape, the margin is cerulate. Okay, when we say cerulate, it is it seems that it has a fine teeth, okay, at the edges. And another thing, if you are going to feel the underside, it seems that it has hair, okay, hair-like. And then if you are going to see, since it is cerulate, you can also observe the hair-like projections at the margin. And another thing, at the leaf tip, leaf base, at the leaf base, it is chordate. So when we say chordate, just like this one, okay, see? And another thing, the petioles, okay, look at, observe the connection, how the leaves are connected into the petiole. So at the base, when you have the base, which is chordate, it is where the petioles are attached. So see, it looks like this one. Okay, it looks like that one. And it seems that the veins are distributed from the connection of the petiole towards the sides of the, or the margins of the leaf, which is rounded in structure. Another thing, always observe that the color of the petioles has pinkish or maroon or the burgundy color. And there are those which is light pink in color or succulenty. But all in all, if you are going, but the younger ones, okay, the younger ones, just like this one, you have the maroon. All in all, you can observe the trichome. See the difference between an adult, and a juvenile leaf or petiole. That it has the lighter color, but for the juvenile, it shows the burgundy. That is why this one is very nice, okay, which comes from our place, Philippines. And another thing, since the shape of the leaf is rounded, Okay, you can obviously locate the tip, which is, I think, mucronate. See? It has, always remember that it has different shapes, though it is rounded. So once again, I have not yet observed this one have bore flowers, which is penny-like or scents-like, no? Circular in shape. But as of the moment, okay, there are no blooms yet. Okay, probably because of the change of seasons now. So once again, I am going to flex to you our Begonia species U192 or Begonia Cv Martin's Mystery, or commonly known as Martin's Mystery Begonia, or in Malaysia it is known as Tapak Melati. So once again, this is our Begonia Cv, which is from our area in the Philippines. This one, always remember that this one is creeping or trailing. This is an herbaceous plant, okay, soft petioles, soft rhizomes, and at the same time, they are perennial. It can live for 2 or more years. You can propagate this by cuttings. So once again, this is our Begonia Cv U192 or Martin's Mystery Begonia. So stay safe. Before I am going to end, okay, I am a shout out to Sir Jativi, and to Kent and to Arjun. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, everybody. God bless.